Hello, BC Auto Parts here. We have a 2010 Kia Forte 2.0 liter, 130,000 miles. It has a bad motor along with the front end damage. 4-speed automatic tranny. The manual windows, manual locks, manual remote mirrors. As you can see, she got hit pretty bad. The interior has a lot to be desired. It's absolutely. There's our info sticker. Yeah, its seats are really stained and everything's really yucky inside. Let's see if I can show you the mileage statement on it. 129,808. Bags blown. Now we're gonna try to see what's good on this thing. Get it inventoried. These parts in the computer. Soon they will all be available at bcauto.net. Thank you for watching.